Everybody, so I got the new Ninja Woodfire grill. I mean, it's new to me. It's not really new. It's been out for a few years. I have wanted one ever since they came out, and I would like to thank Ninja for sending this over to do a demonstration for you guys. I just got done doing the preheating. I'm going to let it burn for a little bit longer, though, because it is burning off a lot of the residual crap from the factory. I definitely recommend doing that with any grill that you get. Let it burn off for a little while before you actually cook with it. But let me go ahead and I'll show you everything with this grill, and I'll show you everything that comes with it, and then we'll do a quick demonstration screen. So you can use the app or you can use the controls directly on the unit itself. It's definitely hot in there. I love the size of this one. It's really large. This one is the XL model. It also does have Wi-Fi, so it is connected to the Wi-Fi to help with connection. Also Bluetooth as well, so it has both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Using the app, it will also allow you to keep track of your cooking time and everything as well. Alright, so here in the front, you're going to have your main power button. You got your mode button, and this does a lot of functions. We got grill, smoker, air crisp, roast, bake, broil, and dehydrate. So this does come with a large basket to do your air fry in. You also have your Woodfire flavor, so if you want to do the smokiness, I'll show you the pellet chamber and the pellets here in just a second. You can change your temp, your time. You can use this to adjust different settings. And you got your start, your stop, you got your thermometer. Over here, you got your little connections for your thermometers. And these are going to be your thermometer units. So if you decide to do a larger piece of meat that you would like to use a thermometer, you can plug it in at that time, and you're good to go. And then you can rewrap everything to stay nice and neat. And then it stores conveniently right there. So over here on the side is where your wood flavor chamber is going to be. It's got a little chamber here that you'll be able to drop your pellets in. It does include a couple bags of some pellets. One bag will say up to 3 cooking sessions. And they do recommend to use their pellets, but you can use any pellet in this. And then they do give this little measuring cup. Here on the back side, you can easily wrap your cord around as well when you're all done. Now there is your grease trap here. Now they do include one liner. You could always get more liners, or you can always put foil or something if you want to make it easier for cleanup. Now for this demo, I do want to go ahead and do a smoky flavor, just to give it a try. So I'm going to use a little bit of the pellets. I'm not going to be doing a large cooking thing, so I don't think we're going to need very many. And these pellets are a little bit longer than your normal ones. So let's go ahead and we'll throw a few in here and we'll give this a try. Go ahead and hit our Woodfire flavor. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and try the Woodfire in the smoker mode, and I'm going to go ahead and still do a high heat of 400. And since it's lunchtime, I'm just going to do some teriyaki chicken and some zucchini. And the app will let you know your progress with the ignition. We're at 50% right now, so not quite ready. You can also set your grill settings and your cooking time and everything here as well. Alright, and just like that, we have a smoker. This is awesome. Let's go ahead and get everything going here. Alright, well that's cooking for a couple of minutes. Let me go ahead and show you a little bit more of this app, because there are a lot more options that you can do with this. You can go into your charts, and you got a lot of options. So if you want to do a brisket, I actually want to do that here pretty soon. You can put a brisket in here. There's settings for your temperature, your estimated time, and everything. You got chuck, roast, short ribs. I mean, you got just about everything here, even tri-tip. I love to do tri-tips, so I may do one of those here pretty soon. And you can go through and you can choose those, or you can do your own settings, of course, depending on what you want to do. But there's a lot of really easy stuff in here that you can just set it and just let it go. Alright, so I want to go ahead and check on it. I can see that it is smoking pretty well. Being in a smoke mode, I'm not really expecting great grill marks. We could probably do grill first and then switch it over to smoking if you want more of a grill mark on it. Oh, it looks like we actually still do get a little bit of a grill mark. Not a lot. I could probably leave it on just a little bit longer and get a better grill mark, actually. You also get a pretty good little cooking session off these pellets. Not a whole lot of it has burned yet, so you don't have to refill this too often. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and take this off. It's looking really good. That looks really awesome, actually. I'm curious how much smoke it did in that little bit of time. Now actually I'm going to go ahead and turn this off. We are going to go ahead and I'm going to get this cleaned up, and we're going to do a grill mode next. Will that look bomb though? And we actually have a bit of a smoke flavor to it, even with that short amount of time. It's really good. After a really quick clean, we'll go ahead and get started on the next one. I'll go ahead and show you the burners. That's how it looks without the pan. And without this being depressed, it's not going to turn on. So without this, it's not going to work. All right, so we're going to go ahead and go with grill. I'm going to go with high. We're going to go ahead and start. Let it go ahead and preheat. So we do get alerts on our watch and our phone when this is ready, or anything like a timer, a temperature, or whatever it hits, you'll get an alert for it. We're going to go ahead and do grill mode now. We're going to do some tri-tip steaks that I have. All right, now that it's been almost 2 minutes, I want to go ahead and see how those marks are looking. And this is going to act essentially like a oven as well. Oh yeah. I'm going to have to say that does pretty nice. I think these turned out really nice. And just because I love zucchini, let's go ahead and try it again on grill mode. I think the zucchini is steaming more than it is grilling. I'm glad I get to finally try this, and I'm excited to try some new things. I don't know what you guys would like to see in this. I'm thinking about maybe trying the brisket, see how it does. I'm curious how well it would smoke a brisket. Maybe we could try the air frying and do something. I don't know. You guys could tell me some things that you'd like to see tested in this, and I'll try it. Anyway, this is the Ninja wood-fired grill. I really like it. This would be awesome for camping as long as you got power wherever you're going. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.